Dear student, in this video, we will understand the steady state input noise power. As quantization noise, input quantization noise mathematically expressed as the difference between the quantized signal and unquantized signal. When we mathematically rearrange this, we will get the quantized signal as a sum of the unquantized signal to the error signal. So, in digital signal processing, this quantization error is commonly viewed as an additive noise, and we may replace the quantizer with the adder, where the input unquantized signal is added to this quantization noise in order to produce the quantized signal. So, because noise is a random signal, so the statistics of the random signal will be applied in the case of noise, or to do any mathematical calculation related to the noise. So most commonly statistic that we have studied in the signal and system class are the means and variance. So the variance is expressed by the mathematical formula as this variance of the noise is expressed as average of the energy of the signal, noise signal here, average of the noise signal energy minus mean value of the signal, or average value of the signal, and the square of that. So this is a mathematical expression of the variance that we have to calculate here. So in order to calculate, we have to find out the mean and we have to find out the average of the energy square term. So because in the case of rounding, the value of the noise signal will lie from minus q by 2 to q by 2. So the mean in this range will be a maximum and minimum value sum divided by 2. So the mean of this value will be 0, because the distribution of noise is uniformly distributed. So we will take the average of higher and lower limit in order to get the mean. So mean in the case of rounding will be equal to 0. So this is expressed as 0. Now in the variance calculation, this energy of noise signal is calculated in the entire duration of the signal, that is from minus q by 2 to q by 2, and the overall range is q. So in order to take the average of this energy, we will divide it by q, because mean is 0 here. So we will put the 0 value in this formula, and after doing the mathematical calculation, we will get this variance is equal to q square by 2, q square by 12, where q is a step size of the signal. Similarly, in case of truncation, if we do the same mathematical calculation, we will see that the range goes from minus q to 0. So the minimum and maximum limit is minus q plus 0 divided by 2. We will take the average of these two values. We will get the mean value is minus q by 2. We will put in this expression the mean value minus q by 2. So this will be the square of that, means minus q by 2 square, and for this particular term the limit goes from minus q to 0, energy square term, and the overall range is 1 by q. So when we calculate this particular mathematical expression, we will again get the noise power or variance in case of truncation will be q square by 12. So either we are using rounding or you are using truncation. In both the cases, noise power will be q square by 12. This is an important finding, and we already know the quantization step size is equal to 2 raised power minus b. B is the number of bits for a particular quantization level. So when we put this expression into the variance expression of the noise, we will get 2 raised power minus 2b by 12. So this is particularly the calculation of the input noise power due to quantization, and it is termed as steady state noise power due to quantization. Thank you.